I'm out of Diamond, Missouri, and just started fixing up trucks for family. My dad drove a truck. He's been driving for 50 years. He had a mechanic shop and helped him there, and so been around it my whole life. My granddad drove a truck, so I just help out. I've got another job. My brother-in-law bought it, and it'd been sitting for 15, 20 years, and so we brought it. He got it, brought it home. We rebuilt another one, so we thought, well, let's try another one. So they found this one, and we took it home and started tearing her down, and which it had a good paint job on it, so we had something to start with. And it took us a while to find out some information, and my son, he did some digging, and we come to find out it was it wasn't a numbered, but it was still a classic, and they call it an extension truck. And we read about it being in Missouri, and which come to find out this is the one that they had been writing about. So that made it more exciting. We knew what we had on the aspect of a classic, but we didn't know if it was numbered. So my son started digging, and when we found out it wasn't, but they were like, well, it's an extension truck. So then we dug into that. Well, it still made the classic cut. I think there was 2 more made after it, if Best tells me right. But so we were pretty excited that we still had something classic. So we went in and we tried to keep it as original as possible. And pretty much everything on the inside we went through. And, just sitting for so long, it needed seal. I mean, we went through, rehosed a lot, which we were going to overhaul it at some point. So we finish rehosing. But yeah, I mean, really, the truck run good. It just interior paint was good. We fixed some chrome, it was missing some original parts, so we found original parts, and here we are today.